Barrackville Covered Bridge. Built in 1853, a year after Philippi, as part of the Fairmont-Wheeling Turnpike, the Barrackville Covered Bridge crosses Buffalo Creek on Pike Street, Marion County 21, at the junction of County 250/32. A truss of the Burr design, it is the state's longest single-span covered bridge at 146 feet and is 20 feet wide. Chenoweth, who was still building small bridges along with his large turnpike projects, was aided in its construction by his brother Eli. James Conaway placed unmortared sandstone perches for the abutments, on which sit concrete pedestals for the pair of arches that flank two multiple-kingpost trusses. The cost for the span, which had no sides, was $1,852. The bridge escaped destruction in an 1863 raid when a nearby mill owner and Southern sympathizer provided food and rest for retreating Confederate soldiers in exchange for its safety. To protect Barrackville from the elements, R.L. Cunningham added horizontal shiplap siding in 1873. Repairs in 1934 included improving its approaches, adding steel rod hangers for reinforcement, and a sidewalk. Steel was added beneath the bridge in 1951 to strengthen it, but in 1987 it was closed to vehicular traffic. In mid-1990, Highways announced an ambitious $3.5 million program to save the state's remaining covered bridges. Preliminary plans to restore Barrackville to its turn-of-the-century look were presented at a November 1990 town meeting by Dr. Emory L. Kemp, professor of civil engineering and founding director of WVU's Institute for the History of Technology and Industrial Archaeology. Because of Barrackville's worsening condition, a panel-type bridge had to be installed inside the historic structure in 1991. A $1.3 million upstream replacement began carrying Marion County 21 traffic over Buffalo Creek in 1992. Finally, in late 1997, the long-delayed restoration of the old bridge was back on track, with work to start before any more deterioration. Early in 1998, Orders Construction Company, Incorporated of St. Albans was awarded a contract for nearly $1.5 million to replace the Barrackville Covered Bridge's rotted truss members with wood to match the original, install a new wooden floor system, and repair the roof. Aimed at recreating its original appearance, the restoration nevertheless included siding, which had been added after the structure's original time period. It did not include a previous sidewalk, since the bridge now serves pedestrians only.